Hello, special pillars. How are you all doing? All right, so today I'm going to give you a rundown of typical Saturdays in my home. As a doctoral student, I'm usually busy during the week, and Saturdays always present a wonderful opportunity to catch up on chores. So, the first thing that I'm doing right now is to dress the bed. Usually, this is an everyday matter. As long as someone is not on that bed, I would usually dress it before leaving the house or going downstairs. So, I go downstairs to make breakfast for my kids, and over here, hubby is being all lovey dovey.
I don't want to take it. No, there's no.
Okay.
So hubby was taking out all the dishes that have been washed, from the dishwasher. These ones we are putting there overnight, and he was trying to put them back in the places they were supposed to do. But guess what? Every time he does the dishes, things just get misplaced. It's not that they are missing, but they just wouldn't be in their rightful places in the kitchen. I have to come back and redo the whole thing over and over again, like take everything and put them where they are supposed to be. That's what he was asking me that made me to laugh. He was asking me where the bowl in his hand would normally stays. And the thing is that he's just not aware because he has done this so many times, but every time he still gets it wrong. Anyway, for my children's breakfast, I don't even need to stress myself today because I have my make ahead frozen pancakes in the freezer, and that's what I simply brought out. And they are going to be having these pancakes with sliced oranges because we don't have any kind of berries anymore in the fridge. I plan to go for grocery shopping later today, so I sliced the oranges in place of berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and all the berry family members. They will be drinking hot chocolate with it, so I am also using chocolate powder plus some fresh milk together with hot water to make the hot chocolate. So after I finish making breakfast and serving my children, I will just go ahead and clean up some of the dishes and items that I used for preparing the breakfast, and after that I will go upstairs to my own bedroom and sort mine and my husband's laundry.
Watch as it breaks down beside us. When we've risked everything for love. On the outside, always looking in. We'll still hold on to all we could have been. To all we could have been. Would you still take me for a fool if I let give it all away for you? So take me home.
You're welcome.
It's colder.
I usually like to separate our clothes that need to be washed into different piles based on things like their colors and sometimes their function. Like white, brightly colored clothes, like the mist colored ones, the white clothes, the dark clothes, beddings, towels, etc. Just like that. It's always very easy to just take each heap that you need to be washed and throw them in the washer instead of taking everything to the laundry room to start sorting. You know what I'm saying, right? All right, so I'm just going to go ahead to my laundry room and throw in the first batch of laundry to be done into the washer. I always like using these laundry beads because they make clothes smell really fragrant and they are not too harsh, such that they will bother the person sitting next to you when you go out, right? Because they have this fresh, natural scent that I so love. Okay, so when I finish loading the laundry and start the washing machine, I'm going to come out and go to my study room. Now, this study room, it doubles as some sort of storage for us, especially for this winter, for storing our winter clothes and jackets. Normally, these winter clothes will be down in the closet in the basement, but we brought them up at the beginning of the cold season just for ease of access. Since everybody's room is upstairs anyway. So I have also moved our clean beddings to this place just to create more space in mine and hubby's closet. So what I'm going to do is to fold all the things that need to be folded, arrange my desk, and sweep the floor. And I will be done with this part. Now, if you look at the wall just beside the mirror covering the closet, okay, the mirror that is the closet door, you will see some notes that are pinned to the wall. So these are my prayer points. They are my written prayers to the Lord. Okay, and I wrote them when I was reading. There's this book by Priscilla Shira I will be showing you shortly. It is called Fervent. So I finished reading that one. I'm also reading. I am currently reading another book of hers. I think it's the most recent one, if I'm correct. That is called what is it called? I Surrender All. I will show you all two of them shortly. So I wrote down, some of the prayer points that were being raised as issues, in the book, and then I pinned them, posted them on the wall with some pins. And usually, what I do sometimes is that I go there and read them out to the Lord during my prayer time. Every now and then. It's not today that I started writing down my prayer points. I've been doing that, but never really posting them on the wall like this. But this one has been quite an experience. So these are the books that I'm showing you right here. I finished reading The Fervent, and the other one, that's the page where I am currently. So if you are interested, especially as a Christian woman who is managing your family, if you are interested, these books are very good. I recommend them. You can buy them on Amazon because that's where I bought the books from. So on the wall also just beside my desk, you would see some of the things that are on that side that I pinned there. They are just like things that my children made for me for occasions like Mother's Day, or some of the notes that they just occasionally write to me because they are very lovely. They are so sweet, such sweet children. So I just usually pin things like that on the wall beside my desk, and when I'm there working at home, occasionally I would glance over and just reading those things. They are always very encouraging and motivating. After cleaning this room, I'm going to sit down and write our grocery list because we have a very massive grocery haul to do today. Please kindly ignore the background voices. I cannot get the kids to be quiet for me to do this voiceover. Okay? Bear with me, okay? Thank you.
We've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like
After cleaning my study room, the next thing I have on my agenda to do for this Saturday is to clean the bathrooms. Somebody say clean the bathrooms. Now, there are 4 toilets in this house and 3 bathrooms. One toilet doesn't have a bathroom because it's the visitor's toilet. It's on the main floor. There's also a bathroom and a toilet in the basement, but we barely use it except when someone is there and they really feel like they need to go without going upstairs. But that rarely ever happens. So it's usually clean, and I don't clean it regularly like the others, so I'm not going to be cleaning it today. Okay, so I'm starting with the master bathroom, which is in mine and hubby's room. In this master bathroom, we have a shower room and a bathtub, which we rarely ever use. I think I've only used this bathtub twice since we moved here. However, every time I clean this bathroom, I also clean the bathtub because I just don't want dust to settle in one corner of the bathroom and the rest of the bathroom is clean. So you just gotta clean it every time, okay? Because this is the place where we use the bathroom, the toilet, and the shower room. We use it most often, so we have to be coming in there, and I don't like seeing dust. Okay. After cleaning the master toilet, I'm also going to go over to the children's bathroom, which is the second one upstairs, and clean their toilets and their shower room. As I'm doing this, my kids have finished eating and are over there at their own corner where they keep their dirty laundry and are sorting their own clothes. Why are you not folding? You're not sorting, treasure.
I started this, and then Nessa started cutting something too.
Yes, see. Treasure, join the sorting, please. If you have not watched my video on how to clean a North American bathroom, please go and watch it on YouTube. You will see it on your screen. Click the link and you can watch it, because North American bathrooms are known for not having drains. The vents you see in those bathrooms in the US and in Canada, probably Europe, are just for the AC during summer and for the heater during winter. So you gotta be careful while cleaning them, because unlike those types of houses where you can just splash water and scrub with your brush and rinse everything with water, it's not the same with this place. You must be careful how you splash water, otherwise you're going to end up having rotten smell, rotten wood and humid smell in the house as a result. So I am usually very direct with how I pour water over the toilet, and as soon as the water spills on the floor, I'm taking my mop and I'm cleaning the water on the floor so that it doesn't leak to anywhere. Upstairs toilets, don't. My goodness, God is good. Thank you, Jesus. Downstairs now, the visitor's toilet.
On the outside, always looking in. We'll still hold on to all we could have been. To all we could have been. Would you still take me?
Okay, so technically I'm done. I am going to I'm going to go now and take a nice, wonderful shower. And then I'll come downstairs and prepare breakfast for myself and my husband. Usually when we are home, even when I am on campus, right, we eat breakfast starting from 10, not before that. Except we want to have breakfast together with the children. So yeah, I'm going to go and shower now. I also like to wash my foot mats in the washer with this laundry bit. It makes the bathroom to smell nice after they are dry. So now I have finished cleaning the toilet and I went and had a very nice shower, cleaned my body properly, because that was a lot of work that I just did. I now look like my mother's daughter and somebody's girlfriend, okay? I now get on to making breakfast for myself and my husband, but unfortunately I thought I had an avocado in that fridge, but apparently we are out too. So I ended up just making toast with scrambled eggs and coffee. Of course the toast was with my homemade bread.
Take me home.
Yellow.
Yellow bite.
Jollof rice.
Yeah.
You eat jollof rice.
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy give you jollof rice, okay?
Yay, don't bite.
Yo, look at the snow outside. It's snowing very heavily. Now everybody has eaten lunch and we set out to go shopping. It's been snowing very heavily throughout the past week, so everywhere is covered in snow. My backyard is inches deep in snow, and it was still snowing heavily. But I needed to go shopping, and since we couldn't leave the kids by themselves at the house, everybody got into the car and we went to Costco. Usually my grocery shopping trips go like this: Costco, Walmart, HomeSense if I need to buy something from HomeSense. But today we only went to Costco, and then from there we went to Walmart. And the kids, we are all happy to be a part of the shopping experience, but it's just so not easy to go shopping with kids. It's very demanding.
And then now blueberries.
Blueberries, have you written blueberries?
And blackberries, yes. Oh, eggs.
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, and I know you're the one. Our story.
After shopping at Costco, we checked out at the cashier, drove down to Walmart to buy a few more things, and then we went back home from there. The next thing I did was just to organize and clean the things that needed to be cleaned and put away the things that needed to be put away in the places where they were meant to be. So that's it for me for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you. God bless you so much. I will see you in my next video. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel but you've been watching me, come on now, do the needful and subscribe. Okay, tap the like button if you like this video and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know where you're coming from or where you're watching from. I love you so much. Bye.
Ended up staring in the bathroom mirror, crying on your bedroom floor. Baby, you can take my